types of torque wrenches in this shop. The big torque wrench. And the dial torque wrench. After putting on the lug nuts to the tire, you're going to need to check the required torque with the beam type torque wrench. If it doesn't fit, you're going to need to give it a spin. Pull down to recommended torque is 80. Hold it for about 1, 2, 3 seconds. The torque is fine. Pause. Next type of torque wrench we're using is the quicker type. You use this type. You go and put your socket on there. Come here. Then you want to loosen this up and then put it on the amount of torque foot-pounds you want to apply to the lug. Then you tighten it back up. Then you go put it on that. You go to tighten it. And then once it clicks, that means you're on the right amount of torque. Like that. That's good.
The dial torque wrench is measured in inch-pounds, not foot-pounds. This is the dial torque wrench. It's basically used the same way as a beam type for smaller vehicles such as ATVs. You're going to want to put it on there, just like all the other torque wrenches. This one's got the dial, so you're going to want to turn it, and hold it,